there, I'm Khatia, and I recently fell into the TikTok rabbit hole, as I'm sure probably a lot of you have as well. I've been using it as my newest excuse to procrastinate for hours on end. And in turn, I've been seeing a lot more e-boys than when I initially uploaded my video about how to dress like a TikTok e-boy. And that video is actually the most popular video on my channel as of right now. I thought I'd take a stab at e-girl fashion as well and come up with one makeup look and 4 fire outfit ideas for you to rock on your TikTok. Please don't unsubscribe. So from my research on YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, e-girl fashion seems to be very similar to e-boy fashion. We see black clothing and silver chains as a big motif in most e-girl outfits. We also see them in striped long sleeve shirts and chunky boots quite often. However, e-girls do seem to wear more plaid patterns, specifically in the tennis skirt silhouette, but potentially the most popular aspect of being an e-girl is the makeup, specifically heavy eyeshadow and eyeliner and dark lipstick. E-girls also draw shapes on and around their eyes and use rhinestones quite often. The hair colors and styles vary amongst e-girls, but they seem to favor unnatural hair colors, bangs, and lots of hair clips. I did actually see a huge overlap in the e-girl and soft girl aesthetics while researching, so if you'd like a video about soft girls as well, make sure to let me know in the comments. But going off of all this, I came up with this makeup look. I did a smoky eye using these 2 neutral shades from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette and this black shade from the Moschino and Sephora collaboration palette. I blended those in and used this glittery silver all over the lid. I also added some green under my waterline and some silver highlight to my inner corners and brow bone. I wore some heavy liner and drew some hearts on my cheeks. Finally, I added lashes and black lipstick to finish off the look. That's the completed makeup look, so let's move on to the outfit. My first inspired outfit incorporates the black and white long sleeve striped shirt layered with a top that fittingly says "So much internet, so little time." I wore this combo with a black tennis skirt and added a 3-layer chain and a padlock necklace since silver chains seem to be very popular in e-style. I paired these fishnet stockings with black knee-high socks and docks with a single star boot chain. And I finished off the look with half-up pigtails and red scrunchies to match my nails. Is a little dressier. I wore this mesh long sleeve collared top layered with a bodysuit that has a deep V connected by silver chains. I paired it with a black satin mini skirt with a silver ring zipper detail. I kept on the same fishnets and socks, but I switched the docks out for these black platform boots instead, and I wore both star boot chains this time. I of course had to add a chain around my neck, so I chose this one that's in the shape of a safety pin and spells out my name, and some crystal dangly earrings. Finally, I added some rhinestone hairpins that say "Sorry boys" for some edge. The third outfit styles that same black mesh top, but with a yellow plaid wrap top around it this time. And this top is actually on sale on my Depop if you're interested. I wore a wallet chain with these black ripped skinny jeans and added my trusty docks since the yellow stitching in the boots matched the top very well. You could easily switch out the docks for Vans old school sneakers since that's a signature shoe in e-fashion as well. I finished the look off with these black and yellow berets. Outfit pairs another striped top with a black lacy tank and these skinny black pants that have star cutouts on the thighs. This particular style of pant is actually very popular on Instagram. The black patent boots have ring zippers that are similar to both the top and the pants, so I thought that pulled in the look together very well. I actually took my padlock charm off the chain and clipped it onto the ring detail on the zipper of my top instead. I switched out my earrings for these simple geometric hoops and put my hair up in space buns for a little twist. So I did end up making some TikToks in these outfits if you want to see me embarrass myself right now and in the future. You can follow me on TikTok. I'm also at Style by Khatia on there. Like I mentioned before, I did make a video about e-boy fashion as well, so if you'd like to check that out, I'll link that in the cards and in the description. I'm selling some of the items styled in this video on my Depop, so if you want to check that out, it'll also be linked in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated on my uploads every other Friday. But thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye!